Hello, Alicia. I hope you're doing well. It was great to meet you today during the Alignable event. This is the short video I had mentioned that I usually send business owners, and the main reason is number one, there are a few reasons. Number one, a lot of this information is out there. However, business owners sometimes are really too busy to learn this stuff. There's a steep learning curve, and not a lot of people are aware that 90% of people search through Google for local services, just like yours. Legal advice, for local legal advice, 70% of them stay on the front page. That's why it's important to be up on the front page. And I'll show you the kinds of numbers of people searching for your services, and we'll go through your competition as well. So just to get started, I was looking at the site that you have up. I can tell that this isn't your personal site, and I remember you talking about how you might be interested in branching off by yourself. So in this video, I'm going to go through three recommendations that I give you for free. You can take these, use them, give them to your website person, to your SEO person. If you like what you see, I have more tricks up my sleeve, and I'll be willing to discuss partnering together. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let me get started. So I'm going to use this site as an example, but please just hear out the main recommendations of what I'll give, and I'm also going to look at one of your competitor sites. Okay, so three things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page, on your pages. Everything that you can see I've highlighted in blue, all the text, the images, the words behind the images, because, for example, if I save this image, if I try to save it, I can see that it's saved as home business _5, etc. Something random. Even this, even that image is saved as something random. Google reads all of this, all the text, all the words, the images, the words behind the images, what you've saved the images as, and I usually tell people it's advisable to save your images as keywords. Now, keywords are those words that people type into Google to search for your service. For example, if I was looking for a lawyer in San Diego, I'd type something like San Diego divorce lawyer. I was looking for a divorce lawyer. This is known as a by intent keyword. It has a location. Anyone typing this in is most probably looking for a divorce lawyer. So it's important to save your images that way, and to optimize with Google. It's advisable to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that's saturated with keywords. This is so that Google knows that you're relevant and will put you up there in front of those searches, those keyword searches. So that's with content. Now, citations. Let's go back to the search here. So when I search for a keyword, first thing you'll see are Google ads. They've now come up with these Google screened or Google guaranteed ads. And then you'll see the regular Google ads. Then you'll find this area here known as the map pack. We have 3 businesses and a map of the local area. Now, to rank higher and higher in this map pack, if I click here, you'll see more businesses that are on the map. These are all local businesses, local to the city that I searched in. So to rank higher and higher in this area comes down to citations. A citation is anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited. Your business name, business phone number, business address, just as they are in your Google My Business profile. So the more relevant directories you're in, the higher you'll rank here. The more relevant and more number, the higher you're going to rank here. And that's why some clients wonder, okay, for example, this guy has 62 reviews and someone below him has 181 reviews. And you can see even the average of the reviews is less here, but they're still on top. That's mostly because not only is their site well built, but they probably have more citations, more relevant citations. Then after that comes the organic listing section down here. And the way to rank higher and higher in here comes down to the third thing I want to talk about, which are backlinks, which is backlinks. If you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, a backlink is when one web page links to yours, directing traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same, because if, say, it's a forum of attorneys and they have a blog up and they have a link linking to your site, Google sees that as a relevant and strong backlink. However, if it's an In-N-Out burger or a Burger King linking to you, then that's a completely different niche, and Google sees that as more or less a bit spammy and will not count you as relevant. Now, I use a tool called Ahrefs to actually analyze websites, and let's take these guys here as your competition. Let me copy the address and let me put them into Ahrefs. Just by as an aside, Ahrefs is a popular tool out there. It costs maybe $200 a month, but it's really useful for analyzing websites and keywords. So you can see that they have about 267 backlinks from 66 referring domains. So it would be up to your website or SEO person to come in and look at their backlinks. Like I said, not all backlinks are the same, so just make sure that you pick out the relevant backlinks, and make sure you have them yourself for backlinking to your website. You can do this with all of your competition, but if you really want to beat your competition, you need to increase the amount of backlinks and the relevancy of backlinks. So I would try and get more than your toughest competition, but not only that, get more of the good backlinks that they have. And that's it. If you work on those three things, your content, citations, and your backlinks for each of your pages, then Google will start to see you more and more relevant and put you in front of those relevant searches. And speaking about those keyword searches, I did a bit of research in your area, and I just want to show you the opportunities that are available to you. For example, if someone searches immigration attorney San Diego, you can see per month there are about 300 searches on average per month. Here we go. Yeah, 300 searches. San Diego immigration attorney, 100 searches a month. San Diego divorce, 600 searches a month. Divorce lawyer, Riverside, California, 150 a month. Immigration lawyer in Riverside, California, 50 a month. San Diego injury lawyer, 250 people looking for that a month. San Diego personal injury lawyer, 600 people are looking for that per month. San Diego personal injury lawyer, I see, oh yeah, lawyers versus lawyer, 1,000 people plus searching for that per month. What I'm trying to show you is that there's tons of people who are looking for your services, and if you put yourself up there, get yourself to the front page of Google, you will grab a lot of this traffic. Just to mention, keyword difficulty here, you see it changing from hard to medium to easy. What this is just basically how hard it is to beat your competition for this keyword, to get to the front page and to get to number 1, at least to the top 10 for this keyword. Unfortunately, in your niche, because it's very competitive, you tend to find higher and higher keyword difficulties, but this isn't to say that it's not possible over time to start ranking higher and higher and grabbing a lot of this traffic. And you could even break this down by domain and see which of your competition is getting the most traffic, and then go in to your competition. Like these guys are getting 106 people per month from that one keyword. So go in and analyze their site and make sure you're doing the same things, and then blow them out the water. Thank you very much, Alicia. That's all I wanted to share with you. Like I said, if you want to work with me, you can get in touch with me. If not, no harm, no foul. Give this to whoever's building up your site, and hopefully you'll start to see more and more people calling you, and you can grow your business. Thank you.